Honest J. Nowak. Oh yeah.
Let's see. Oh, okay, I'm already recording. Alright. Well, I'm just gonna do this anyways. Because today, this is the last episode ever of Honest J. Nowak, Season 1. And man, 752 days, I've basically gone on ahead and just simply gone through all this time. 20 months have passed. 752 episodes have been made. So, it's not 752 days entirely, but you know what? As far as the series is going to go, it certainly is going to be going much further than this. But to pretty much close off HJN once and for all, let's talk a little bit about, well, Mark of the Line one last time. Hummer is basically at the top of the list, but I might as well go on ahead and get into touch a little bit by talking about various other marks that I have not already pretty much given their own time yet, like Scion. Scion is essentially well, it's a recreation of Toyota for the American automotive industry itself. Such models like the FRS, IQ, ID, IM, and many others have pretty much taken place, as well as the famous XB box sort of thing. So, not much to say about that other than the fact that it went defunct in 2016, which pretty much just means it didn't last too long out there in the automotive industry. But there, of course, are tons of others out there that I also could have talked about, including Lada, a Russian company out there, or maybe even, well, Datsun and all that good stuff. But know what? You know what? It is time to go on ahead and talk a little bit about Hummer. Hummer is yet another defunct company out there. It's yet another one of those that had died off during the recession in 2007 and 2009. Just like with Pontiac, Mercury, and some others out there, Hummer had not necessarily gone through some pretty good times. They were at first pretty well known for creating military-based vehicles out there, including the famous Humvees, but then of course they started to shift more towards civilian-based marketplace and pretty much tried to create some vehicles that would be at a level where you could buy one for yourself. They first started with the AM General Hummer from the early to mid-90s, and then eventually moved on to some others. There was the H1, which then turned into the H1 Alpha in the mid-2000s. And then there was the H2, which had been garnered for some of the worst things that could ever happen, including some very, very, very poor gas mileage, as well as some not so well-known mechanics. But it does have its own merits, being very luxurious for something that came out in the early to mid-2000s, including, well, full electronic seat controls, dual-zone climate controls, Bose stereo sound systems, and several other things that you would normally not expect to find in a vehicle from that time period. But in terms of how Hummer had gone even after the very bad sales of the H2 had gone up and the very bad reputation of the H2 entirely, they still were able to continue going somehow, creating the H3, which eventually had gotten discontinued in the late 2000s, especially following the company's, well, failures, especially due to the recession. And especially because GM had decided to pull the plug on it entirely, just like they did with Mercury, Pontiac, and Oldsmobile, and pretty much some others along the way. The recession did put a huge scar on GM's life, and as a result, the lifespans of some companies had to come to an end at some point in order for GM to secure onto their profits. So, that's just pretty much what that's all about. Hummer entirely is still very well known, and there are indeed lots of Hummers that you can still find out there on the streets, proving that the company still has a big legacy following it for its, well, very unique sort of design, function, and the way that its functionality entirely is a bit different than most. It certainly is something that you really got to spend some time getting used to. But overall, I would not really want to buy a Hummer, especially for such poor mileage of all sorts. And especially because it tries to hide the fact that it is a terrible car entirely, by giving us all these great things that we would not expect to find. So, no Hummers for me, no thank you. But, you know what? That is it! Honest J. Nowak. Oh yeah. It's finally over. Season 1 is over. And you know what? I feel like I've been cooped up in here for a little too long now, so time to throw this away. And well, I'm gonna go out and get some fresh air. So, I guess until next time, if you want to see more go down on my channel, then make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, follow me on social media, and stay on the Hollywood side.